Hello and welcome to the preview of my new pack. I will be releasing this as soon as Unreal Engine 4.25 released. Yeah, I'm working on 4.25 at the moment. So, this is basically a lobby system. I'm taking the menu system to the next level now. So, don't be confused. So, the menu system will be a separate pack. But if you purchase the lobby system, then you will have the menu system as well. If you happen to have the game system, the multiplayer game system, then both the menu system and the lobby system will be included. So if you don't need those packs for a separate project, then you don't need to buy them. They will be included in the new update for the multiplayer game system. Alright, without further ado, let me start the game just so you see what's going on. I will also start a separate instance of the project on the background so we can connect to each other. So this is this is the game system. No, sorry, not the game system, but the menu system that I showed off in a previous video. So let's start game, selecting the orange, and on my other player, let's select the black. Why not? Okay. So before we actually leave, let's the black guy. Let's find a game. I will explain those in a second, but let's just find a game. So we are in one menu. So once you found the desktop, which is the name of that player, let's join. Loading. Here we go. So as you would expect, they can see each other. I don't know if I can somehow resize this. Here we go. Okay, so the lag is because of the recording, obviously. So let's do, actually, maybe if we play like that. Yeah. Oh, come on. This is so annoying. I'm trying to get this to work with two windows. Here we go, finally. Okay. So let's hit tab here as well. This is not how it looks. This is how it looks. But because of the stretching here, it looks a little bit different. But it serves our purpose. So if this guy says I'm ready, then it will update on both of them. This is the server. He had the game settings. The client doesn't have it. So if the server decide to change to level 1, for example, they can also change the game mode. Campaign, co-op, PvP, survival, and when they hit accept, it will update on both of them. I'm adding actually the game modes as well. I'm not sure yet what they are going to do. Like for example survival, I don't have a clear idea of what survival mode is, but the game mode will be there, so you can write your code. PvP, co-op, and campaign. Also for level 2, I will show you the data table in a second, but you can specify to each level which game modes you want them to be playable with. I don't know if that makes sense, but it will make sense when you see the data table. So for example, for level 2 you have co-op, you have battleground, and survival. That's all what you can play with level 2, but with level 1 you have campaign as well, and PvP, which you don't have in the second one. So if here, for example, if I select battleground, here we go, accept, then you have up to 32 players, and so on and so forth. So the server, they can also kick players, which will boot them back to their lobby, but obviously they can find the game one more time. They become a leader of themselves, but when they join, they become, one second, here we go, join. So let's hit tab. Now they are not leaders anymore. They can also, here they can the server can also make leaders. So now when they hit ready, it's the leader that updates. And once we have selected a game mode, whichever it is, I don't know, I like co-op. I really like co-op. I don't know why. I think because of the Division influence on me. Sorry. Let's start the game. Loading and loading. So server trouble. Here we go. So here it starts your game, basically, wherever you want to include in the game. Everything is ready for you. Wherever your system is, it starts from here. So this is where the lobby system ends. Actually, no, sorry. There's one more thing, which is we can go back, let's say for example to the lobby, or we can go to a second level. Let's go back to the lobby, for example, and start game, and this will take us back, so you can travel back and forth. That's what I meant. And also, if the server leaves, he will boot everybody. Okay, so this is basically the lobby system. I hope you will like it. Actually, let me show you the data table very quickly here. That wasn't here. I want to add it now. So let's say, for example, you want to add a new map, and okay, level, let's call it level 3, and also here let's call it level 3. Let's give it a different whatever this is. Okay, let's give it a different icon, and you can add game modes in it, as many as you want, and in an order that you want. So for example, the first one I want it to be survival, but the second choice co-op, the third one, let's say PvP, and the last one is battleground. So if I save this and we go back to the game, okay, let's just play. So now in the game settings, you have level 1, level 2, and level 3, and start with survival, co-op, PvP, and battleground, exactly the way that I put them in. Accept, and that's how it looks. Did I add the map? I add level 3, but I don't think that I have actually level 3. Yeah, I don't have level 3 here, so it's not gonna go anywhere. But if you have a level 3 here, that's what you are going to write in there, and the map name. But for now I don't have one. So this is the nice lobby system. Hopefully you will like it, hopefully you will make it useful, and looking forward to release it. Alright, thank you very much, bye bye.